Now I want to discuss with you a new chapter, very important, belonging to unit algebra, that is what? Factorization of algebraic expressions. In fact, meaning of factorization means decomposition of algebraic terms in its simplest form. For example, if it is a square into b, if I want to decompose in its simplest form, it will be a into b, that is a square b. This is the decomposition of this term a square b. As I have told you a word here, term, so you must know what is a term. Terms are of two types, algebraic terms and the terms which does not involve any variable. These terms are known as the constant terms. So decomposition of numbers can be like this: 15 is equals to 3 into 5. So this is also the factorization. 15 is a constant term and a square b is not a constant term because it involves variables. Variables are a and b. So basic question comes that what are the constants, what is coefficient, what is power and what is variable. Whenever we write any polynomial, whenever we write any identity, whenever we write any term, then any alphabet from A to Z which is used in expression, term, identity, that is known as the variable. As here a square b, a is the variable, b is the variable. So every term is what? Term is the basic elementary need of algebra, and every term having four things always. First is the sign. Every term has sign. Whatever is the term, it always has a sign. Then it has a digit. Digit means it has the coefficient. That is the coefficient. It has the sign maybe plus or maybe minus. Coefficient will be any real number. Then it has a variable. What is the variable? Actually, the variable is any English alphabet, A, B, C, D, like we write 3x. So 3 is the coefficient of x. X is the coefficient of 3. So x is known as variable because in any kind of algebraic expression, identity or in term, the value of what can change, that is known as the variable. And fourth is the power. So the learning of term, that is term needs these four things always. Suppose I write 5x cube. So 5x cube means the sign of this term is what? Positive. This is the sign. The coefficient of this term is what? 5. The variable is what? X. And the power is what? 3. And when few terms are clubbed, combined, joined by the sign of plus or minus. Suppose I have a term, suppose 5x, another term I have 7y, they are separated by the sign plus. So 5x plus 7y is what? 5x plus 7y is the algebraic expression. When I write any algebraic expression like this, 3x plus 5x square. So I am observing that here it is 3 into x, it is 5 into x into x. So x is common in both the terms. So this algebraic expression 3x plus 5x square can be written as 3 plus 5x. So this is decomposed in this form. So this decomposition of the algebraic expressions is known as the factorization of algebraic expressions. As we know, algebraic term having four things: sign, it has coefficient, that is a number, it has variable, that is alphabet, it has power. When few terms are clubbed with the sign or plus or minus, that become the algebraic expression. When the algebraic expression is decomposed and bring in its simplest form, then that simplest form is known as its factorization of the algebraic expressions. So term algebra, algebraic expression and factorization, these terms are clear to you, but here before I tell you what are the important identities, I want to tell you one important fact, that what is the difference between equation and identity. Actually, identity is that algebraic expression which is always true for every value of variable, and equation is that which is true, correct, verifies only on the certain number of values. Suppose I write here that x square minus 4 is equals to 0. This is the equation. Why this is the equation? Because this can be verified only in two positions, one at x equal to plus 2 and other at x equals to minus 2. As the power of this equation, degree of this equation is 2. Degree is the highest power involved in the algebraic expression. Here highest power of the variable is 2, so it has two possible values on which this equation can be verified. These values are plus 2 and minus 2. You can verify if you put x equal to 2, you will say it is 2 square minus 4 is equals to 0. 2 square means 4, 4 minus 4 is equals to 0, so 0 is equals to 0. If I take x equal to minus 2, you will come to know minus 2 whole square. In the second case, I am taking like this, minus 2 whole square minus 4 is equals to 0. Square of minus 2 is also plus 4. Minus 4 is equal to 0, so 0 is equals to 0. And other is minus 2. One of the value is plus 2 is the solution for this equation and other is minus 2. So it means that it is verified or true or correct only on the two positions, plus 2 and minus 2. Now the question is that what is the equation? Suppose if I write that x plus 2, that is the x plus 2 whole square is equals to x square plus 4x plus 4. If I write here x plus 2 whole square is equals to x square plus 4x plus 4. In this seems to you algebraic expression. This seems us identity. How this is equation? Because there is a sign of equality between two sides. But why it is identity? Because you can opt any value of x, but you will find what? Always true left hand side is equal to right hand side. Suppose you want to take x equal to 0. If you put x equals to 0, then what you will say? You will say it is 0 plus 2 whole square is equals to 0 square plus 4 into 0 plus 4. 0 plus 2 is 2 whole square is equals to 0 plus 0 plus 4. 4 is equals to 4. So I can say it is verified. Now it is your at own end that you can choose any real value of x, and same value you will put in left side and right side. You will find the answer is always same. Answer is always equal. Relation is always verified. So that expression or that equation or that relation where the left hand side and right hand side is always true, equal at any value of variable, and if it is true only on the certain number of values, then it is the equation. Say for example, if I take 3x minus 2 is equals to 2x plus 3. So when I say what is the possible value of x, then I can say this is 3x minus 2x is equals to 3 plus 2. So x is equals to what? 5. This can be verified only at one value 5. So this is not identity, this is the equation. So difference between equation and identity is measure this, that identity is that relation which is true for every value of variable, whereas equation is true on the certain number of values.